Okay guys, before we get to the task at hand, let's do a rabbit check-in real quick. Our new guy Buck over here is still very skittish, but finally starting to settle in, I think. Now as for our girls, today is their due date, but I don't know. We're not sure if they're actually pregnant or not. Maybe they're just hiding it really well and we can't tell. No babies, no fur pulling, nothing. It could be just that they're first time moms and they don't know how to do any of that. Or it could be they're not pregnant. Baby watch continues. Did you put all that stuff in their nest box? So maybe they are trying to make nests. Kenneth didn't put all that straw in their nest box, so they must have done it. It looks like they're only using one nest box though, so either only one's pregnant or they're planning on sharing a nest box, which I have heard of when rabbits kennel together that sometimes they will share a nest box and both have their rabbits in the same box and then take turns feeding them. Alright guys, so now for the task of the day, to see how much of this we can get mulched. It starts right here and it goes all the way over to the RV, and it's probably 6 to 10 feet wide in some places. Let's see how far we can get. You never know. We might get a lot done. Are you climbing a tree? An elephant? Say elephant. 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 He says epaulant. You're riding an elephant. I'm just showing y'all how wide this brush pile is. Like, I think this right here is the widest section at the end, but it's over 12 feet right here. And it's easily like 100 feet long. This is going to take forever. Forever. If y'all have ever wondered what it's like to do a repetitive task with me when I'm listening to music, this is your shot. I probably drive Kenneth crazy, but I love music. I love to dance to music. I love to sing to music, even though I don't sing very well. And I like to make tasks fun. So even mulching can be fun. At least for me. Alright guys, we are just under 3 hours. Y'all can barely see us. It's getting dark out here. I think tomorrow we need to start this earlier, but we had things to get in this morning before we got started.
This is why we don't let our kids drive the tractors on the homestead.
Yeah. So this is all wood chips. Like, it is everywhere. We got a lot done. I don't even know if y'all can see over here to see. Let me see if I can get my flashlight out. Hold on, guys. We got this area cleared up. You'll have to come back to Vlogmas tomorrow to see how much more we get done tomorrow.
My wife says she's gonna get it all done tomorrow.
Oh, we might need to start at like 5 a.m. if I'm getting it all done tomorrow. We're gonna get the rabbits fed. I'm gonna get the people fed. Declan's already saying he's hungry. So we're gonna wash all of this out of our hair. Oh, I should have wore a hat. I hope y'all had fun hanging out with us today. Watching us mulch, get some work done on the homestead, dance around, have a little bit of fun. Declan and his craziness. I hope y'all have a great Vlogmas. Thank you for joining me for another day. Vlogmas question of the day today is, what is your favorite DIY Christmas present to give? Have you ever DIY'd Christmas presents before? My favorite one year, you know what, it's too much to say, it's getting dark. Go to the comments below, I'll put my favorite down there. How about that? Y'all have a great night, guys. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye now.